Is your Epson printer refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, this is easy to fix. I'll show you simple steps that work for most Epson printers. Let's get your printer back online.
Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen.
Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is working properly. Confirm your internet is working on your phone or laptop. And make sure your printer is within range of the router. Try connecting the printer to the 2 Hz network. Step 2. Restart the printer and router. First, turn off your Epson printer. Unplug your Wi-Fi router. Wait about 1 minute. Plug the router back in until the lights are try connecting again. Step 3. Restarts Wi-Fi status. A flashing light or disconnected message means no connection. Go to Settings your network, plug the router back in. Wi-Fi passwords are case sensitive. Step using the Epson Smart Panel app. On your phone, install and open the app. Tap Setup Printer and follow the instructions. It automatically connects your printer to Wi-Fi, and you are all set. Step using the S on your router. First, press the WPS button on your router. Within 2 minutes, press the Wi-Fi button on your Epson printer. A solid Wi-Fi light means the connection was successful. Still not connecting? On your router. Print a network status sheet and network settings. Choose Print Status Sheet. This report tells you know the error, fixing it becomes much easier. Still not? Move the old Wi-Fi router. Go to Settings and Restore Default Settings. Choose Network Settings to reset them. Now reconnect your printer from scratch. Step 8. Update the printer firmware. Open Epson Smart Panel and check for updates. Or update from the printer's control panel. Keeping it updated can prevent connection problems. Step 8. The printer on your computer. Remove the printer from Windows or Mac. Restart the computer, then add the printer again. Let it detect the printer over Wi-Fi. This refreshes the connection.
Step 10. Check your firewall or VPN. Temporarily disable them and test the printer again. If it works, you'll know that software was causing the problem.
Here are a few quick tips. Keep your printer close to the router. Avoid changing your Wi-Fi name. Restart your router. Keep firmware updated. Use a strong signal. Now for when to contact Epson support. The Wi-Fi hardware may be faulty. Router security settings may be blocking it. Your printer may require service. Contact Epson support. That's how you can fix most Epson printer Wi-Fi connection problems at home. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and tell us in the comments which solution worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Print Smart Help for more Epson, HP, Canon, and Brother printer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.